Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see about Nullish Coalescing Operator in JavaScript. So let's see how it is denoted by this symbol. So it is denoted by double question mark symbol as I'm highlighting on this screen, right? And let's see with an example, right? So let's say I have an object and I have these details in my object. I have two channels basically. These are my YouTube channels only. First one is the course basket and the second one is this tech engineer rapper, and these are having some details like type, year, language, playlist, right? Similarly for this one also, name, type, year, language and playlist, right? So these are the data which I am having in this object named as obj1, which and the type is var, right? Now let's say I want to check that at obj1 this portion, right? This represent this one means this because it is starting from the 0 and this is 0. The first one is the 0, right? This is obj1 within brackets 0 and this is obj1 within brackets 1. This represent this one. So I'm talking about this one over here, right? So when I write obj1 within brackets 1 dot playlist, I want that I need to print the value of this one, right? So if there happens to be OR operator, right? Logical OR operator over here. So this will going to print this variable, this value, right? Reason being because this will going to treat it as the 0, right? It means this things that it does not have any value, so it will going to print this value. If you use this or logical OR operator, right? But instead if you use this nullish coalescing operator, right? So this will going to print the value which we have defined over here, right? So this is the importance of the nullish coalescing operator, that it gives the accurate values in the programs, right? Now I'll run the file in the terminal to show you the differences between the two, right? So first I clear my screen. Now I'm going to run this file. I'll write node operator.js. Basically this is the file name which I am writing over here, right? Now I'll run this file and here you can see that here I am getting the output as 1, right? But here I am getting the output as the 0, right? So here I am getting the accurate result. I am highlighting it over here. With the nullish coalescing operator, I am getting the accurate results. Now let me show you with something else, like this playlist is not available. Let's say over here, I'm going to save this and now I'm going to run this file, right? So here you can see that here I am getting 1, right? If the value is not available and we are using the logical OR operator, so this will going to give this value which will defined over here. And the same is the case with the nullish coalescing operator as well. If the value is not available over here, so in that case it will going to print the variable which you will going to give in the program, right? But this nullish coalescing operator becomes different and becomes good in terms of giving the accurate values, right? So for this reason only, right, if you can see in the example, at first it is getting 1 and here it is getting the 0 with the help of nullish coalescing operator. So here we have already given the value as the 0, but it is not showing the 0 value, it is showing the value as the 1, right? And that's the only reason we'll use the nullish coalescing operator, right? Whenever we require these sorts of things we need in the program, we use this nullish coalescing operator. So I hope guys that you have liked this video and you have understood the nullish coalescing operator. And guys, if you're new on this channel and you haven't subscribed this channel yet, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.